Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Tech Aruna, and I hope all of you know about that. I'm running a series on Canva tutorial. And in today's episode, we are going to see how to add plastic wrap effect on your image. This will look like as if you've wrapped your product or anything in a neatly covered plastic wrap. So, without wasting much time, let us move to the Canva platform and let us take a blank template and let us see how we have to move ahead with this. So, first, we need to use some box kind of thing. So, let us go search for box element taken here. This box is a perfect fit. So, we can place anything inside and show you the effect. Now, let me go for some toys here again, and I am placing these toys inside this box. So I've done this. Now I need to show it as if it is properly wrapped with plastic. So again, you are going to use the elements and write their plastic texture. That's it. With just one click, the box with the toy is wrapped in a plastic, so looking like it's properly packed. So in case if you want to see it properly, I can change the color of the background so that this will show you the clear idea how this plastic texture effect is adding aesthetic element to your designs. With the help of this, you can do even your framework of any sceneries or anything with the help of this plastic texture. I'm going to add some sceneries here. Let me check here scenery, natural scenery. So I'm going to go for photos. I can add anything here. I'm searching for a good photograph. So let me add this. Now I can put this in a frame. So again, I'm going to elements and say for frame. Let me check for frames. I can go for any frame which suits my design. Let me go for a simple frame. Yes, I've done this. Now I'm going to just place the frame properly. Done. Now again I'm going to change the background of this image. Here again. Now I'm going to add the plastic texture over this image. Let me check this. It is still, we can go for something else. I'll go for magic recommendation and then I'll choose this one. Again, you can resize it if you want to just cover the image. This is one, you can just cover the image with the wrap like this, or else you can again go for a bigger one. The whole page can be wrapped in plastic. I would like to show you some of the items which I have done using this plastic texture. Here it is, perfume, and here I have added an aesthetic frame to cover the image. Again, here again, we can show any product properly wrapped in plastic in this simple way. I hope you found this useful. And if so, kindly click the button like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, do write to me in the comment box. And that's all from my desk today. And thank you for watching.